Okay, I hear you're going to start a YouTube channel, right? Now, the first thing I want you to do is you've got to decide what your channel is going to be about. It's got to be something you're very, very passionate about. Because if you're passionate about something, you're going to continue doing it and you're not going to feel like it's work, are you?
That's why I want to do it.
So,
something that I'm experimenting on myself
constantly.
That's the only way I could be on top of it and really passionate about it. If I was getting real results from it. Not if I was just talking about something. I want to physically be doing it and then sharing it.
That sounds like a good process. Now, you're gonna. What are you gonna do it on? What do you want to do it on?
How raw food affects your body.
Health.
How raw food and health, and then also exercise, because I know sweating is really good for you too, and that can also help your skin. Sweating and exercising every day.
Okay, so have you picked out a name?
No.
Huh?
No. What about?
Where's your pad? Where's your pad and pencil?
Where's my pad?
Because
I don't have names. I have ideas and not names.
well, it's good to have ideas too. You're gonna have to have plenty of good ideas so that you can make up lots of different titles and stuff on your YouTube channel, right?
How about you throw some names and I throw some names?
Me throw some names?
We do the three-person conversation thing you're
Yes,
talking about.
the three-person conversation. When two people are in a room and you start talking, there's an automatic third person in the room.
I don't even know if I want them to know I'm from Maui. I don't know if I want to be the local expert. I want it to be broad, like.
Well, you can still have it broad, but you're going to be considered the local expert because you're doing it and you're putting it on your YouTube channel. Because lots of people just don't do that.
I got grade paper. Hold on.
That's good.
Well, I bet it's one of my best friend's mom's best friends, and he's always in Hawaii and he knows everything about health and skin and food. And
Yeah.
if you're like walking down there, you'll probably meet him. He'll start talking to you, and he's so intelligent
Well,
when it comes to that.
so then maybe you can talk to him and you can come up with different topics.
Why is there no paper in here?
I don't know. You want me to get some paper for you?
No, I can use graph paper.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
And then I'll type it out. I like to type things out.
All right.
It's so weird being in front of the camera. I don't know how you get comfortable with it. I know a lot of people, what I don't get is because like I have an Instagram and people do like fitness Instagrams. Do they get paid for that?
For Instagrams?
For Instagrams, because they have like millions of followers. And
You know,
that's
I'm not-
like their job. You can tell that
Yeah.
they're really invested in it, and they do all these food stuff, these exercises, and they repost things all day. And I wonder if Instagram does something like this.
I'm not sure. You know, Instagram is something that I've never done, and it's probably another something to incorporate into YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and all that.
It's more of like pictures, like the car thing.
Mm-hmm.
If you were to like take a picture of the car and Instagram it and go like refer to your YouTube channel, giving car away, and then here's the link.
Oh, okay.
It's just pictures and then like a little description. But that'd be good for your contests.
Yeah.
You could have the contest Instagram page,
Yeah.
but it has really short videos. I don't know. I don't think you could put your videos on there. They're like 30 seconds long.
Oh, okay. So something short, kind of like Twitter, but I mean,
Pictures.
but okay, pictures on Instagram.
Yeah, it's just like Twitter, but Twitter's with words and Instagram's with pictures.
Okay.
Same exact thing, but opposite.
So, what are we gonna come up with? A name.
Go.
A name. You're gonna do something with health. So, I kind of think you might want a name that associates with health. How about the health nut?
But do you think that's taken?
I don't know.
Write it down.
Yeah, just write it down. You just want to write down some names. And I'm going to tell you, come up with at least 10 names. Or the Health Chicken Maui.
I said chicken.
Health Chicken.
It's like,
I'm just trying to get.
different.
Hey, I'm just trying to get your brain active on figuring out some sort of name. Now the name, you can have the name actually anything you want. It doesn't even have to be health conscious minded at all. It can be whatever.
Based on skin, like appearance wise. So we should get a thesaurus. Do you know a word for beautiful that starts with a G?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous and glowing.
Glowing.
That sounds like it only appeal to women.
Wow.
Sounds like a.
Who do you want your channel to appeal
I think
to?
it's gonna appeal to a lot of people, but mostly teenagers.
Teenagers? Okay,
Yeah.
so maybe you want your YouTube name kind of towards teenagers. You know, something that they can relate to. And I don't know what that's going to be.
This is hard.
I know.
This is the hardest part.
No, this is just one part. I mean, you could have your name anything, but once people know you and get to you, it doesn't really matter what your name is. It's just some people do catchy names.
Yeah, and just like yours is.
You know, mine's VideoJoe Knows. I'm the video guy, and I'm an average Joe, and I'm supposed to know
everything.
how to help you with your
do everything.
with your projects to save you money around the house.
How do you fix the what's it called?
What?
The handle.
Oh, the handle on the cabinet.
The handle on
Yes.
the cabinet. There's
Yes.
a project.
That one right there. There's no handle on it. What gives with that? How come it's not on there?
And there's no cabinets.
No cabinet doors.
We had them and then they fell off. I don't know, they fell off. I think they're on a cheat.
Yeah, you know what? We're going to have to go around and make a little list of certain things that need to be done in here so that I can do some other videos and show people how to do certain things. Because
I think little things would help. Like,
you know,
what is this, trim?
Yes,
Something
there's
goes in there?
there's a piece of trim that's missing between the tile
It makes such a big difference.
and the flooring
dust.
there.
And then under there, all the dust and all the dirt
Yes,
comes into the house.
you see there
It's awful.
there's no threshold on your front door.
Dirty
And
floors.
air comes right into the house. No weather stripping around the door, no nothing.
And then we need to cover the light switches.
Yes, there's light switches over here with no cover
A
plates.
lot of it's a lot of little things.
Look, no cover plate there. Here by the back door, no cover plate. What's up with that?
We'll do an extreme makeover.
Extreme
To this house.
home makeover.
Yeah.
Okay, now enough of that. Back to business.
The health nut.
Um,
Green and glowing?
huh?
Green and glowing?
Green?
Green, like green food. raw
Oh,
food.
okay, okay.
That's catchy.
Yeah. All
Maybe
right.
for a video, whatever. It's an idea.
Put it down.
I like the whole double letter things. Like, you know, green and glowing. It just is catchy.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So I was
Okay,
asking you with a G.
I
So I was
see.
thinking the word glowing.
I see.
It's just easier to remember.
So you just keep working at it, and we'll come up with some more names. And I'm gonna say you can come up with 10 names, then we can come up with 10 more.
Oh gosh.
Yes, and
I
then
guess so when you're on a roll.
then
like
you're
that.
gonna talk to your sister, and maybe she'll help you with a few more names. And then
She
you can
could.
talk to your mom and your boyfriend, and maybe they can help you come up with a few more names. Because ultimately, I want to see you with maybe
Names?
maybe 50.
Oh gosh.
Maybe 50, and then you can narrow them down to your top 5. That's when you're going to start going to YouTube and punching in your very
If it's
top
available.
name to see if it's available. And if
So
not,
you
you
have to make it really unique
yeah,
because
Yeah.
it might be taken.
yeah. That's what this little exercise is about.
Whatever one that pops out to me the most, I'm going to do.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna let you get back to work, and I'm gonna get back to you in a few minutes.
Okay, watch the Rose Bowl. It's on again. Is this the thing before the Super Bowl?
No, this is college.
Oh.
Super
yeah,
Bowl is
no.
for professionals. All right, get back to work, will you?
I'm getting distracted by football, which is rare.
I'm in Makawao on Maui. Look at this rainbow. Look real close, there's a double rainbow. And it's raining outside, and the ocean is right out there, but you can't see it. It's kind of foggy, but this rainbow is just so awesome. It's all the way across. That's cool. You know, Maui's known for rainbows. This is one reason why.